Not the best beach weather this weekend.
Yeah, I think we'll see a mixture. We're going to
Okay.
see some periods of sunshine at times, and then others some rain moving in from the Gulf of Mexico. On top of that, we talked about it earlier today. Red tide is becoming a big concern here
yes.
along the Suncoast. So we'll get a graphic and show you that. We also have a story posted at mysuncoast.com. You want to check that out as well. Well, Casey Key webcam showing a decent day today out on the beaches. Nice sunshine there. You can see and a beautiful sunset. And looks like we'll see some sunshine tomorrow morning. As I mentioned, it'll be around and then some increasing clouds in the afternoon. We have Balloon Fest taking place. A lot of people out there at Lakewood Ranch today and riding those high balloons, as you see right there. Fred Seeger, who's a contributor all the time to pics at mysuncoast.com. Appreciate that. So is Art Conforti looking out at the Ringling Bridge just after the sun went down below the horizon. And Norm, sending this one is Sarasota Bay. With some beautiful colors there as we had a little bit of high clouds around. I mentioned the red tide. The red tide is out. The new report, the full report came out today from the FWC, again showing those markers indicating the reports and tide, actually the problem with the red tide all the way up to Sarasota County. The areas in yellow that you see right there are low, and the areas in orange are the medium, and the medium is greater than 100,000 to 1 million cells per liter, and that's a lot. In fact, all it takes is very low concentrations to have fish kills, and fish kills have been reported now along area beaches into Minnesota Beach as well as into Casperson, Venice, and up to Lido. 23 samples are showing some form of red tide in those tests today. Now, as far as the Titan radar picture goes, the nor'easter is starting to wind down here, but another one is on the doorsteps and it'll be there Tuesday. For us, not much going on right now, but we do expect to see that system develop in the Gulf of Mexico and then work its way across South Florida throughout the day tomorrow. 49 right now in Sarasota, pretty chilly weather, and as far as the current conditions go, 52 at the airport, that's 49 at the downtown area, humidity at 88%, winds are out of the east-northeast, rather light at 3 miles an hour, and the high today was only 71. The low this morning was cold at 46 degrees, our normal low at 56, so 10 degrees below average. This is one particular forecast model showing that rain developing in the Gulf and moving on shore. Sometime after 3 o'clock, an area of low pressure kind of left behind, spinning across South Florida. Then here comes the cold front and an attendant area of low pressure developing late Sunday. This front will move through on Monday, bringing with it some clouds and showers. So now it looks like Sunday, there's still that chance of some severe storms. They're very small right now, and look for the possibility of strong cells tomorrow late afternoon and evening, especially over South Florida. And then that tornado chance is at 5%. This is from the Storm Prediction Center. And as far as the rainfall forecast goes, the total's indicating a less than a ½ inch across most of the area, and looks as though a heavier rainfall will be down to our south. Still, there's a lot of uncertainty as to what's going to happen with this system. The Europeans suggesting more rain on Saturday than Sunday, and we'll see those showers developing sometime after 3 o'clock, it looks like, continuing up around 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow night. And then on Sunday, this particular model is showing Sunday may be a little bit better than anticipated. So there goes the system on Saturday, and then Sunday it leaves behind partly cloudy skies. And then the front comes down on Monday now and bringing with it a chance for showers and some storms on Monday as well. Now the forecast for boaters, winds will be okay, 15 knots, not the best to start things off, 5 to 10 in the afternoon and evening. Seas running 2 to 3 feet with a moderate chop out there, and the water temperature now at 68 degrees. So here's the 7-day, a lot to take in. 50% chance for showers and storms tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening some rainfall, 60% chance on Sunday, Monday even a 40% chance. Obviously, we do lose an hour of sleep. Saturday night, be sure to spring forward. And then it cools down throughout all of next week through Friday. Temperatures well below average. Jacqueline?
Okay, thank you, Bob.